Valparaiso, often referred to as the Jewel of the Pacific, is a captivating port city nestled along the central coast of Chile. Its vibrant history, colorful neighborhoods, and rich cultural tapestry make it a fascinating subject for exploration. As one of South America's most iconic cities, Valparaiso has long served as a vital hub for maritime commerce, artistic expression, and political activism. Founded in 1544, Valparaiso quickly established itself as a strategic port due to its natural shelter and proximity to the sea. Over centuries, it grew into a bustling gateway for explorers, immigrants, and traders, shaping its diverse demographic profile. The city's development was driven by the booming nitrate industry in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, which brought prosperity and attracted a variety of European immigrants, including Italians, Germans, and Croats. These influences are still evident today in the city's architecture, cuisine, and cultural traditions. The city's terrain is characterized by steep hills and narrow winding streets, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. The historic quarter, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its well-preserved 19th-century architecture, including colorful houses, ornate mansions, and religious structures. This visual vibrancy has earned Valparaiso a reputation as an open-air museum, inspiring countless artists and writers who have found muse in its lively streets and bohemian atmosphere. Artistic expression is deeply embedded in Valparaiso's identity. The city has served as a canvas for muralists and street artists, transforming walls into vibrant murals that depict social issues, local legends, and abstract designs. This street art movement has become an integral part of the city's cultural fabric, drawing visitors from around the world eager to experience its colorful urban landscape. Galleries, theaters, and music venues flourish here, fostering a thriving creative scene that celebrates both traditional and contemporary arts. Music and cultural festivals are central to Valparaiso's social life. Annual events like the International Festival of Song celebrate Chilean music and attract renowned artists, fostering a sense of community and cultural pride. The city's musical heritage spans genres from folk to jazz, with live performances often spilling into the streets, creating a lively, festive atmosphere. Local artisans and street performers contribute to a dynamic cultural scene that continuously reinvents itself. Valparaiso's economy, historically anchored in shipping and maritime industries, has diversified over time. Today, tourism plays a significant role, with visitors drawn to its scenic vistas, historic sites, and vibrant art scene. Cruise ships frequently dock at its port, bringing international travelers eager to explore its unique neighborhoods. The city's port remains one of the busiest in South America, facilitating trade and commerce that sustain its economic vitality. Educational institutions such as the University of Valparaiso and the Pontificia Universidad Católica de Valparaiso contribute to the city's intellectual and cultural development. These centers foster research, innovation, and cultural exchange, nurturing new generations of artists, scientists, and leaders. The city's universities often host cultural events, conferences, and exhibitions that further enrich its vibrant community life. Environmental sustainability is increasingly a focus for Valparaiso as urban growth and tourism expand. Local initiatives aim to preserve its historic architecture, promote eco-friendly transportation, and protect its coastal ecosystems. The city's residents take pride in maintaining their unique environment, balancing modernization with conservation efforts to ensure its charm endures for future generations. Valparaiso also plays a significant role in Chile's political history. It has long been a center for social activism and political movements, serving as the birthplace of important labor movements and revolutionary ideas. The city's residents have historically demonstrated resilience and a strong sense of community, often rallying around causes that seek social justice and equality. Its vibrant street life and public spaces reflect this spirit of activism and solidarity. Culinary traditions in Valparaiso are as diverse as its population. Fresh seafood, especially ceviche and grilled fish, features prominently in local cuisine. Traditional Chilean dishes like empanadas and pastel de choclo are complemented by international influences brought by immigrants. Food markets and seaside cafes offer authentic flavors and a warm, welcoming atmosphere that exemplify the city's convivial spirit. Transportation within Valparaiso is uniquely characterized by its historic funiculars, or ascensors, which have been in operation since the late 19th century. These cable cars traverse the steep hills, providing both practical transit and charming sightseeing opportunities. They symbolize the city's inventive spirit and serve as a reminder of its rich engineering heritage. Modern public transit systems coexist with these historic funiculars, facilitating mobility for residents and visitors alike. The city's commitment to cultural preservation is evident in its numerous museums and heritage sites. The Museo de Historia Natural y Cultural de Valparaiso offers insights into the city's ecological and historical evolution, while the Museo de Bellas Artes showcases Chilean and international art. These institutions serve as custodians of Valparaiso's legacy, ensuring that its stories and achievements are accessible to all. Despite challenges such as earthquakes and economic fluctuations, Valparaiso has demonstrated resilience and adaptability. Community-led initiatives focus on urban renewal, disaster preparedness, and sustainable development. The city's spirit of innovation and collective effort ensures that its unique character remains intact amid change.